Class today I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on configuration. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. You come here to carry over settings. Just click here in this sign. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on. So that like you see here, carry over settings enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.